Hi, I'm Casey Downs, and I'm the stylist for St. Vital Centre Spark. And today I'm going to be showing you how to wear a graphic tee in 4 different ways. The first one is more of a casual look that you could wear really anywhere, running around doing errands or going out for breakfast. It's very comfortable, but elevated by wearing a skirt. This t-shirt is actually quite oversized, but we make it look proportional to the body by tucking it in at the waist. I always like to blouse out this shirt a little bit, and personally I like it to make it look a little bit more casual and effortless. I also like to do a cuff on the sleeve. I feel like it gives it more of a polished look. So to do that, you just find your hem, make sure you're rolling it all the way around, and do it a second time, because you want to hide the inner seam. And believe it or not, it just stays like that for most of the day. To elevate the look, you can add some gold jewelry, simple hoops, and a short necklace. I like to wear something that emulates the same neckline as the t-shirt is. I've also paired these with colorful runners. You could of course wear them with a solid white, but if you have some fun runners at home, it's great to match the color of the runners with the color of the graphic on the t-shirt. Really pulls the whole look together. So for this look, I've paired it with a pair of colorful slacks, which I feel like is a really fun, unexpected way to wear a graphic tee. This look is very elevated, kind of cool girl, relaxed, going out outfit. Pairing it with a strappy sandal will make it more of a nighttime look, but you could easily pair this with a lower heel, little kitten heel, and wear it to work. I've also paired it with a fun statement earring that matches the same color palette as the pants. Styling this look could not be any more simple. It's a real throw on and go. All you do is have your oversized tee, leaving it untucked, throw in a pair of comfortable cotton leggings, and by adding a chunky boot and a statement jacket, it really elevates the look and folds it together. For this look, I'm trying to create a really relaxed feel, something that you could wear to a festival or on vacation. I've paired the tee with some colorful flowy gaucho pants, as well as a choker necklace and some statement earrings. I've left the graphic tee untucked and unrolled the sleeves for a more youthful, boxy feel. But if you're more comfortable with a tucked-in waist, this outfit would look equally as good tucked in. So you want to keep the t-shirt close to your body and then blouse out how you like it.